Hello everyone, my name is Lunga Kanyile from TechFX. I want to show you a trading opportunity on gold. I'm on 4-hour time frame. As you can see right there, the price has been forming lower highs and lower lows all the way to 1269. So let me just quickly draw a trend line so you can see. We will have our descending trend line right there. Let me just take it to line chart so we can see our points. So move my line like that. So we will have something like that. So also construct my lower lows right there. Let me just do that as well. Starting from that point to there. And also use the Fibonacci retracement lines to help me identify the key areas as well and my target. So let me just quickly drag my Fibonacci retracement lines, and starting from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high. Here we go. So there is our points, as you can see right there. So we're expecting the price to maybe shift a little in some time next week. So we're expecting the price to maybe go up to this area there. Let me just highlight it so you can see. As you can see right there, from there, just start from there so you can see what's happening right here. So yeah, so we're expecting the price to move forward or to move upward rather to this area there before maybe taking a short position to create new lower lows right there to our Fibonacci retracement line 1.27. So our trade will look something like this. Our entry point will be right there. That should be our entry point, and our target should be right there. Just this. So we will have something like this. Sorry. So this is a trading opportunity uh, that we will take advantage of sometime next week. So what will invalidate this trade is if the price actually maybe if the price breaks our trend line and go upward right from there, so our trade will become invalid. So maybe if the price break the point right there and just go straight up, the trade will become invalid. So we have to pay attention on that area right there and see if we do get any bearish confirmation candle right there to take advantage of this trade. So I'm Lunga Kanyile. Hope to see you sometime next week for my next video. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video as well. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.